Come on, you scaring mommy.
Oh, he gotta go. For real, for real.
Nah, he's good. It's good.
Oh my God, if y'all never had a bird like land on you, it's the most weirdest feeling, like their claws on you like that. It's so weird.
So
I'm scared because I know.
all right, quick. I gotta say this real quick. The reason why we have a bird, right? So back in California, we had a Tesla, and we had to charge the Tesla. Relax, bro. You got a little baby mouth.
Just drink my juice, honestly.
You scared?
Yes.
Nah, don't let him drink the juice. Stop. Don't bite me.
Oh my God.
It don't even hurt.
It just feels weird.
Stop it.
He's biting you, right?
I'll just pluck him. Like,
See?
get back, bro.
I don't want him doing that to me.
Just pluck him, though. Like,
No.
get back, bro.
Because then I'm scared I'm going to drop my juice.
No, just, hey, like that. Like,
And it's not even juice.